to be so perfect, but is it ever enough? Are you